Alright, had a problem yesterday while I was mowing. Made a noise and stopped cutting, so take a look and see what it's doing under here. Well, I looked at these. It's got a belt, but this side over here didn't seem to want to turn. Belt's on. Let me drop this down where we can see a little better. And let's see here. That little spindle there is good. It's turning good. This one's turning good. The belt seems to be on everything. Well, this ain't, the brake's not stopping this, but it ain't turning. So something may be lodged in there with my blade. I don't know. Look. Let me get my cardboard. Go to the other side. And take a look at this spindle here. Oh yeah. This one's turning easy. So it's got something to do with the blade or the spindle, because the other side is not turning. So it's not the belt. I'm going to reach up here and see if I can feel a blade. No blade over there. Okay, here's the blade. I feel the blade. Oh man, but it ain't turning. It's barely turning. Pretty hard. So it's something wrong with that spindle. I have to replace it. I don't know. Let me drop the mower, the mower deck, and take a closer look at it. Alright, got it out from under the mower, and I believe it was this one right here. That's not stopping it, but that is not turning. No. And the blade definitely wore out, but it's not hitting on anything. So that spindle has locked up. So I got to replace the spindle. Alright. When I get a spindle in, we'll see if we can't tackle that thing. Let me go in and order one. Alright. Got our new spindle in. And the new one has a place where we can grease it. The old ones don't. So the first thing I got to do is get these old blades off of it, and then we'll go from there. Alright, we've got our blades off. Flip the deck over, and first thing we need to do is take this loose. I think this is the right one, so let's find out real quick. No, that one turns pretty easy. So it's not that one. There's the bad one over yonder. Okay. So, yeah. Got our blades off. And gotta take this guard loose so we can get the belt off. 3 bolts here. Not sure exactly what size they are, but we can find it fairly quick. Looks like a winner. Shows a 3/8. And alrighty. There's our guard. And then we'll pull the belt off. And then we'll have to flip it back over. Good news is this one comes with a pulley. The new one does. So let's let me flip this thing back over. Well, I don't know if you can seal it from there. Got 4 bolts that holds the spindle in. You can tell right there where it's split apart. That one ain't like that. And this one turns. This one don't. It's split. It's a bad one. It locked up. It was fixing to fly apart. What it was fixing to do if I hadn't set it down. But anyway, 4 bolts, and then I'll have to flip it back over and pull it out from the other side. So I'm just going to set that down there for the moment. Two, and 3, and 4. Now I pick the deck up. I'll bet you the spindle will be laying there on the porch. So let's find out. Just about. Little deal there holding it on. That's it. Put the new one back in. There we go. Just like so. And set it back down. Excuse me. Get the bolt started. Maybe. Make sure you get them pretty snug. You don't want them to come loose. Alright. See that or not? back in there. We'll put our belt back on. Yeah, see here. Flip it over here. Close enough, yeah. Then belt back on correct, I believe. This is on. Yeah. I think we're batting 1,000 so far. Put our little belt guard back on. Alright, it is repaired. New spindle on an old mower deck. It does have, which some of the old ones don't, but it does have a grease knuckle right there that I'm going to get my grease gun and fill up with grease. I don't know that it needs to. Didn't come with any instructions. But I'd be willing to bet it's full, but I'm going to try it anyway. Try to put some more in it. And that will be the life of your spindles right there. I just wish the old ones had them in it, but they don't. But anyway, that's how you replace a spindle. And I've already showed you how to get the deck out and change blades and all that, so I'm gonna leave it at the spindle and go with that. Alright, that's all for now.